So today we are trying to escape the expensive and massive crowds of Pigeon Forge by finding a completely free hidden lake within the Smoky Mountains. So we are preparing our ribs as we were getting ready this morning. We got them low and slow in the oven. That way when we get to the beach, all we have to do is sear them for 20 minutes and they fall off the bone tender, and it leaves so much more time for swimming. Oh, that is so cool. I hate cooking breakfast. Come on, babies. This is why I cook breakfast. What?
I said blah.
You don't say blah, blah, blah.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. We don't say blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah.
We don't say blah, blah, blah.
You did blah, 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 blah.
We don't say blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Do we say blah, blah, blah? Okay, breakfast is complete. We're...
No, that's not.
It is complete. I cooked all this breakfast for you, and your meal.
No, it's not. It was gorgeous on it.
You're rude. Mama, get the rest after that. Get a cart. Get in the car and buckle up.
We're leaving?
We're leaving for the beach.
And you?
Get your seatbelts on. Seatbelt on. Get in your seat.
No!
Girl.
No! I'm a boy.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Who's ready for swimming? Charlotte, you ready for swimming? Hannah, are you ready for swimming? Elijah, swimming? Hold them back. At the lid, Evie. Hey. Well, I didn't want to see your face anyway. Hey? Bye. Who is team hamburger and who is team ribs?
I'll take the ribs.
Sandra, hamburger. What do you want, Charlie? Hamburger or ribs?
Yeah.
Ribs. And Daddy said ribs.
And hamburgers, because I'm making them.
What team are you on?
I'm on team. I think I'm gonna have ribs because last time Daddy cooked ribs, I got none of them.
You gotta be quicker than that. Right here, you guys. First picnic table.
We made it to the Douglas Dam swimming hole. I still love that name. And we couldn't have picked a more beautiful day to get here. It is so sunny and beautiful. And guess what? It's not even that crowded. It's so pretty. Whoa! Ready? Jump! Jump, go into the water. Hold on, baby.
Oh, it's cool.
Oh, it feels so good. Look at me. Yeah, mud. Don't. No. 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 Ew. No. Ew, that's poopy. Literally, I truly do love it here at Douglas Lake. The damn swimming hole is really, really amazing. Like, every year they put out such nice soft sand, and they have the buoys and they have the lane line, so it keeps everybody safe. Like, seriously, this is like so pretty.
Give me my bass. Oh my goodness.
It's good for your skin. Right, sissy? They're running out of time. Hey! Hey! Fish pee! No, fish. Yes, fish pee! You're poopy. Where are you going? Ready? Can you try again, Elijah?
I don't like it.
She don't like it.
You want to try?
Just
No, I don't like it.
Slippery as
You're in the
hell,
best
man.
shape of your life.
I am.
Wait till you go underwater, and go up. Why not that?
That's perfect. Say, Daddy! That's so silly. That was perfect.
Was it good?
Love you guys. You guys having fun?
Yay!
What do you mean, no? Food? You want some food? You're hungry?
We'll make some burgers and ribs.
I want the food.
No, no food. You guys gonna eat some food? Hey, not fun.
Do this. Gotta do this. Move your shoulder.
Look at that beautiful view. What do you think, babe?
What?
It's a beautiful view.
Holes?
No, the lake.
I thought you were talking about charcoal. I am not Hank Hill. I love the taste of charcoal. It's actually.
Those mountains in the background, that's so pretty. See your nose.
How about me, Mama?
I see your nose. You guys got chip noses.
We got enough flights.
It's not dinner time yet. You're busted. Don't spill it. Don't definitely fling it at me.
Go ahead, Evie. Amen.
Good job, Evie.
Hey! You gonna record me now? Hello, camera. I'm eating chippies.
And I'm eating ribbies.
Not in the backseat of my car.
Yes.
The only literal downfall of the Douglas Dam, the dam swimming hole, is they closed at 8. So unfortunately for us, we weren't done like eating our food, so we had to pack out and go out just into the fishing section of the campground at the headwater beach. And that's only the down section, so now we have a giant parking lot to finish our food. But it's pretty, look. Sunset's really pretty here. Just take a bite.
We won't walk over them in the trash bin.
You got good meat? You got good
The ribs
meat?
Daddy made, ain't it?
Yeah. I like when they put barbecue sauce on the meat while they were cooking. That was a good idea. Halloween Day.
Ribs, boy. Ribs.
Are they good?
Hello everybody, you have to make the best of a sometimes difficult situation, huh?
Yeah, I helped Mama
What's
make the
difficult?
salad.
Having to pack up and remove just to eat somewhere else.
Yeah, I helped my Mama make the salad, didn't I, Mama?
What do you mean the salad? You have me make everything. Tell them.
Yeah, I helped Mama make everything.
I even homemade the macaroni salad and the potato salad because we don't eat like modified foods. So I went all out hardcore for this picnic. How's everyone's day, guys?
Good.
Daddy,
Fun for me.
did everybody enjoy their fun day at Douglas Lake?
Yeah, we had ribs and hamburgers.
Hamburgers?
Yeah,
Boogers? Boogers?
Yeah.
Ew.
I put it on my toes.
Ah.
I put it on my toes.
I'm glad you guys had a good day. Say until next time, guys. Thank you guys for joining us.
Later.
See you later.
Later.
I just say later.